What is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new Leaving Korea Diaries vlog. I cannot believe we are here, guys, doing this series on my channel after 6 years of living abroad. We are going back to the US. We are bringing Cleo. We're doing the whole 9 yards. This is a crazy hectic time in my life, but I knew I wanted to document it. After all, so many of you guys have been here throughout this whole entire journey, so come along with me as I enjoy our last moments here in South Korea. If you have any questions or comments, I would love to hear them down in the comments below. This is one of the craziest times in my life, but I'm so happy to have you guys right along with me. And also, if you did enjoy this vlog, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a ton. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on with the vlog.
Good afternoon. I just got to a photo studio and I'm really excited because today Cleo and I are going to be doing some mommy-daughter photos. Cleo's with her auntie Adrienne. This is something I love doing pretty much every year. It's just a really fun way to document both of us. It's very bittersweet because this is going to be my last photo shoot in Korea for a long time. I got mostly ready at home and I'm just going to finish up getting ready now. So brought my little styler.
Oh my god, you look so pretty.
Oh, thank you. You know, I did that with a sock.
You did?
Yeah.
Wow.
Have you ever done sock curls?
No, but this is, oh my god, I love that.
I thought it was pretty. It is a couple days later now and I actually realized I did not show y'all how the pictures turned out, and to say I'm happy is an understatement. I'm so glad I got these done. Photo studios in Korea are freakishly affordable. I think the whole photo shoot came out to being around $90 and I got a bunch of prints and then he gave me all the raw files. So if you guys ever come here, please do a photo shoot. And I also really encourage you to just do photos with your dogs, like professional, because they're just so different compared to iPhone photos. And as you guys know, I have a bunch of these framed. And my plan is to make some kind of small gallery wall in my next apartment, or maybe just hang a couple of these up framed. And it's just gonna be a really good reminder of our time here. So here's the big baby, because he did one big print for me, and come on, she's such a good little photo shoot gal. She's so well behaved. I loved her little lacy thing she had on. I'll show you guys. I think I got to pick out 6 or 7 to have the final prints done. So here's another one. Oh, that's one of me. There's another one of me. I had to do a couple solo shots. And oh my goodness, I love this one. And then here's a really cute one. Yemin had this idea that we do a cake with numbers, and I'm so glad she recommended it because I'm just always gonna remember that this was right after her 13th birthday. Yeah, it's like one thing to just do photo shoots alone, but then like having my friend with me was just so special, and I can't explain how much I'm gonna miss all my friends. I have the craziest schedule coming up over the next like couple of weeks. I have so many medical appointments between Cleo and I. That is what I have going on today in the late afternoon, and then I'm gonna be filming in the daytime for something else. So I just wanted to tell you guys, like, I'm not only just hanging out with my friends, I have a lot of other stuff going on, but those things are kind of boring, and I also am not gonna like pull out my camera in the middle of a blood test. I also just wanted to take a moment and once again say thank you so much to everyone who has been so supportive in my comments. Like, some of the comments I've been getting have been so kind, whether I inspired you to come over here to teach, or if you've just been following along for a long time. One of the really big common questions I've been getting is, am I still gonna be doing YouTube? And yes, I wanna remind you, I was on YouTube for like 7 or 8 years before I even came to Korea. I am so excited to like document the next era of my life. But yeah, that's my little check-in. I will see you guys when I see ya. I'm gonna go ahead and get on with my filming and then take her to her appointment this afternoon. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, we are making ourselves a little mid-afternoon drinkity drink. I'm actually about to film some content for hers new skincare. They have a new SPF, which is so amazing, and I'm so excited to be filming for them because they genuinely are one of my favorite brands, and it's always just such an honor. But because it is mid-afternoon, I've already had a coffee, and I don't want to have more caffeine, so I'm gonna have one of these, and I had to shout them out. They just sent me these as PR. They sent me probably, I think, 20, and I've already finished all of them, so that's how you know they're good. But if you guys ever see these in the convenience store in Korea by Kloop, get them. Man, that is so good. Let's get started. Happy Saturday. We are having the most lovely Saturday ever. It is beautiful weather, just perfect May weather. I'm so glad it's a Saturday so everyone can enjoy this weather for the most part. I'm gonna start showing you guys more of my daily spots in the next few videos because I, number one, want to remember these for myself, but I haven't really showed these much in my vlogs just for safety reasons, but I can obviously start showing them now. I'm at my neighborhood park. This place was such a godsend for me to live next to for the past like year and a half because it's the most beautiful, quiet, and very large park actually. Leo and I come here all the time. We don't walk on the main busy road pretty much ever. We have some cats that live in this park. But yeah, just checking in to say hi, gonna get on with our day. I'm so excited because Sharon's coming over tonight and people still ask about her if I'm friends with her because she was in some of my vlogs from earlier in 2020. And yeah, she is my longest running friend here in Korea, and her and I are pretty much as tight as it gets. We don't see each other often, but we are very tight. We call all the time. So I'm gonna see her later and I'm really excited. Get McDonald's because number one, we've both been craving it, and number two, there's a McDonald's right next to my house that I just have not been to enough. So we're gonna go. I'm craving a McFlurry. What are you craving?
Milkshake.
Ooh, I almost got this color, but I Hello, happy Sunday. I am about to head out for a cute little Sunday afternoon picnic at the beach with my girl Bella. We're just going to Guangdong Beach, which is only like a subway station away. So got my bag packed. I'm really excited because the weather is finally like warm. So I feel like the beach is going to be a really great vibe today. We're going to go to my favorite kimbap shop. This will probably be, I guess, one of my last times eating there for a long time. I'm having a lot of these like, oh, last time doing this, but then it's like you never really know if you're gonna do it again. So I keep calling everything last time, but who knows if it actually is. But I'm really looking forward to just being out in the fresh air. I'm not gonna lie, the exhaustion lately has been real. I got a comment on my recent video and someone was like, you look more tired than usual, and it's because that is the damn truth. I really do feel so flipping tired. I took a really good nap a couple hours ago though, so I'm feeling nice and refreshed. But comment below if you guys have any tips on just like maintaining stamina and energy throughout the day. I'm trying not to consume too much caffeine. It is very tempting, I'll just say that. It's very tempting to have more than 1 cup of coffee a day when you're feeling as tired as I am these days. So I also got a blood test the other day because I want to make sure that I'm not like deficient in something and that's causing my sleepiness. But I'm fairly sure that it's just the mental load of everything I have going on right now. So anyways, let's go ahead and have a good, fun, lighthearted, wholesome afternoon. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Jimmy loves to pet his dog, and he loves to hug his
Oh, that's fine. Sorry.
hug his mom. Jimmy loves to walk his dog. Jimmy loves his big black dog. His big black dog.
Special.
But he's drinking out the bottle when I see him at night. Every time I see him, it just doesn't feel right.
Good morning. I just got out of a Pilates class. I did chair Pilates for the first time. My studio has reformer, barrel, and I think that's it, and chair. And I've always just avoided chair because it looks complicated. But I was like, you know what? Let me try. And I don't know if you can hear my voice trembling. That shit was hard. Like, oof. I'm gonna go home. I need a good shower. But on the agenda today, I need to run to Cleo's vet. I have an appointment at 10:30, and we're gonna get the like some piece of paperwork that we pretty much need for the airport. But before I go, I want to grab a little treat for my vet because she's been amazing. She's been so helpful. And then we're going to the tailors, and I also have a photo shoot this afternoon. So very, very busy day ahead. It's gonna be a good one, and the weather is so good.
Everybody looks good in that villa.
I wanted to make sure I could give this video a proper outro. So thank you so much for staying until the end. If you're still here, please comment below the blue heart emoji, blue for Busan. You guys, I have been filming so much lately and I'm only just now having the time to edit all the footage, but I'm going to have a consistent upload every week this month. So definitely turn on your post notifications if they are not already turned on. I love you so much and I will see you very soon in the next vlog. Bye guys.